3 days. Just finished work. It's about 7 o'clock. It's been a little bit overcast, but blue skies now, so I'm gonna go out for a fish. Let's go. Today I'm using this old rod that I had in the garage for a while. Big 2-piece. This reel and probably this lure works quite well usually. Radio. Just my new setup because I accidentally smashed my last fishing rod into in the casual. So I'm just gonna video the first cast and then we'll see how we go. Got a fish on! We got a fish on! Whoa! Woo! A nice salmon hooked right in the mouth. Oh! My first salmon! Woo! Woo! Right, I'm gonna dispatch him, hopefully. Oh my gosh. Yeah, nice size, nice size. Alright. The lure that I caught that bad boy on was this. But he's got the hook, he's taking the hook off. I can just fix it again tomorrow, but I want to keep fishing, so lures that I think, this is my first salmon. I've caught I think 1 or 2 trout on this one, and Tasmanian devils I reckon are the bomb shizzle. I caught my first fish on one of these ones, but kinda wanna go for that one. Well, I might just stick to these ones in here. Oh, actually I'll try soft bait. I used to use soft baits, but it only had one hook in it, and I used to watch fish bite the tail and stuff, but this one's got, yeah, this one's got 2 hooks in it, so oh no, maybe I won't use them. Oh no, worth a shot. Alright, there's a bad boy down there. We're gonna try this on, hook her up, see if we can get another one. You! I'm actually going to try bleed this fish now, so that it's supposed to make the meat better, but I haven't even tried it before. Couple gills. Yuck. And then I've actually got a little bit extra fishing line here, which I'm just going to tie to a little stick. Come on, let's get one stick. I wish my dog was here. Or my girlfriend, or someone else to kill the fish. This is nice size. So it's starting to smell bad. So what this is supposed to do is freshen it up a little bit. Around the stick. And then I'm going to this up. Through his mouth. Comes out. As you can see, and now I just nice sized fish. Just put him sort of over the edge. Fishing line around here, and there he is down there. He's not going anywhere. Yes! My first time with my new rod and old reel combo. Alright, time to lure up. Shoot my bag. Alright, soft bait is on. Need to I've never caught anything on a soft bait around here before. You know, the fishy's still in there, doing fine. Let's go, baby. First cast. Let's see how we go. First cast. I actually got quite a few bites on that other lure. Yeah. Thought I had fish, just grass. Oh, okay. I literally, second cast, had a fish on. He like even jumped out of the water and everything. But that's the thing about these lures. I always I can never land a fish on them. Oh. See, like it's still fine. But as I was saying, these soft baits I don't think work very well. Any soft baits really. But yeah, like that fish was on. I did the old whipped it back. It was my second cast, so the fish are eating today. It was definitely a salmon. But it's going to run out of battery on the GoPro, so I'm just going to keep turning it off until I catch it. Alrighty, I just packed down the rod. Fish still there. I'm just going to pull her up. Beautiful. I'm just going to gut her now, so that's not messy at home. Little rinse. So hopefully, since I let it bleed out a little bit, the flesh should be heaps better. I recommend not using soft baits because I've had about 4 fish on soft baits, but I've never landed a single one. Like today, it was literally my second cast on this one. I think it's because the hook's like at the top and the bottom, whereas say these ones, the hook's at the back where the fish are more likely to attack from. I haven't gutted many fish before, so if anyone's got any tips, can you please let me know in the comments. Alright. Look at that moot. Beautiful. So let's get all the blood out. Just run my finger along here. I wish I was camping or something and I could just cook her up on the lake or something, but it is not to be. Check that out. Yummy. He's still got the hook in his mouth. Just gonna quickly give him a light scale. It's a good eater. I still haven't really decided how I want to cook this bad boy yet, so I might chuck him in the fridge until tomorrow, have him for lunch. GoPro battery's about to die. I'm about to head home, tell everyone the good news. We'll see you tomorrow for a wee cook. Alright, we got a fish here. We're just going to chuck it in some tin foil, put it in the barbecue. It's my first salmon, so we're just going to keep it pretty simple. Cut off all the fins. Right here. So I'm using a lemon, garlic, I'm going to grill 2 tomatoes, and seasoning, salt. Chili flakes, a little bit of pepper, black pepper. And with this lemon, I'm just going to quickly caramelize it. I'm just going to top and tail it, slice it up, and until it gets sweet, maybe put a little bit of salt in it. Okay. That's caramelized. Alright, we don't want the fish in the direct heat. Oh, that smells delicious. As you can see, the top part of this fish is a little bit undercooked, but it's still really good actually. I like it. Fish looks like there's quite a lot of meat left on it, but I use a frame in the head to make like a salmon stock, which I used later on in some rice and with some coconut milk and stuff. It was pretty nice. Stay tuned, I have a few more catch and cook videos coming out soon. I just got back from a dive trip on the east coast of New Zealand. If If any of you guys have any fishing tips or salmon recipes you want me to try, let me know and I'll have a crack. Catch you later.